Education is our greatest opportunity to give an irrevocable gift to the next generation. Myself is its Sanofar Nisha and my friend is Shahin Farid from 1st BSc Computer Science C section, Kaveri College for Women Autonomous, Trichy. Now, we are going to present an e-content about generations of computers. In today's session, we are going to learn about introduction and generations of computer. First generation of computer 1946 to 1955, second generation of computer 1956 to 1965, third generation of computer 1966 to 1975, fourth generation of computer 1976 to 1985, and fifth generation of computer 1986 onwards. Now let us see the introduction. A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It can store, retrieve, and process data. Nowadays, a computer can be used to type documents, send a mail, play games, and browse the web. The evolution of this complex system started around 1940 with the first generation of computers and evolving ever since. Computers have evolved significantly over the years, and the history of computer is often divided into generations based on the technology used. Father of computer. Charles Babbage was the father of computer. Charles Babbage was born in London 1791, was a great mathematical genius. He was a natural inventor and invented all sorts of new products. He designed the analytical engine in 1830s. First generation of computers. The first computers used vacuum tubes for processing and magnetic drums for storage. They were large, expensive, and unreliable. John Prescott Eckert and John William Maltschy invented the first successful electronic computer called ENIAC. Few more examples are ENIAC, EDVAC, UNIVAC, IBM 701, IBM 650. Merits and demerits of the first generation computer. Merits. It made of vacuum tubes, the only electronic component available during those days. These computers could calculate in milliseconds. And demerits. These were very big in size, weight was about 30 tons. These computers were based on vacuum tubes. These computers were very costly. It could store only a small amount of information due to the presence of magnetic drums and large amount of energy consumptions. Second generation of computers. The second generation of computers are transistors, making them smaller, faster, and more reliable. Magnetic core memory introduced, which was faster and more reliable than magnetic drums. Examples: Honeywell 400, IBM 7094, CDC 1604, CDC 3600, UNIVAC 1108. Merits and demerits of second generation computers. Merits: smaller compared to first generation, generated less heat, consumed less power compared to first generation, punched cards were used. And demerits: a cooling system was required, constant maintenance was required, only used for specific purposes. Third generation of computers. In 1965 to 1971, third generation of computers were introduced. These computers were based on integrated circuits. Integrated circuit was invented by Robert Noyce and Jack Kilby in 1958 to 1959. Integrated circuit was a single component containing number of transistors. And examples: PDP-8, PDP-11, ICL-2900, IBM 360, IBM 370. And the merits and demerits are: these computers were cheaper as compared to second generation computers. They were fast and reliable. This generation of computer has big storage capacity. These computers reduce the computational time from microsecond to nanosecond. And demerits: Integrated circuit chips are difficult to maintain. The highly sophisticated technology required for the manufacturing of IC chips, air conditioning is required. Fourth generation of computers. This technology is based on microprocessor. A microprocessor is used in a computer for any logical and arithmetic function to be performed in any program. Graphics User Interface GUI technology was exploited to offer more comfort to users. And few more examples: IBM 4341, DEC 10, Star 1000, PUP 11. And merits and demerits of fourth generation computers. Merits: heat generated is negligible, small in size as compared to previous generation computers, less maintenance is required. All types of high level language can be used in this type of computers. And demerits: the microprocessor design and fabrication are very complex. Air conditioning is required in many cases due to the presence of ICs. Advanced technology is required to make the integrated circuits. Fifth generation of computers. This generation is based on artificial intelligence. Aim of artificial this generation make a device which could respond to natural language input capable of learning and self-organization. This generation is based on ULSI, ultra large scale integration technology, resulting in the production of microprocessor chips having 10 million electronic components. Few examples are desktop, laptop, notebook, ultrabook. Merits and demerits of fifth generation of computers. It is more reliable and works faster. It is available in different sizes and unique features. It provides computers with more user friendly interfaces with multimedia features. Demerits: they need very low level languages. They may make the human brains dull and doomed. And conclusion: generations of computer have evolved significantly over time, from the early vacuum tube based machines for the first generation to the integrated circuit powered microcomputers of the fourth generation. Each generation brought smaller size, increased processing power, enhanced functionality, and greater accessibility. The fifth generation is characterized by artificial intelligence and quantum computing. Overall, these general advancements have revolutionized technology and continue to shape our modern world. Thank you.